Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Digitivity. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create this pop-out effect using GIMP. So watch the whole tutorial to understand it properly. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about upcoming tutorials. One more thing, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to watch more tutorials about GIMP, the link is available in the I button, as well as in the description box below. Now without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. To start our project, I am going to open the image first in which we will create the pop-out effect. To do that, you can go to the File option in the top menu and click on Open and import the image. Or simply drag and drop the image by going to the folder where the file is located. This is the image in which I will create the pop-out effect. So double-click on the layer's name like this, and rename it to Subject. I will put the link of the images I am using for this tutorial in the description below. Next, I need to scale the image first. To do that, I'm gonna go to the image from the top menu and click on the Scale image. I am setting the width to 1280 pixels and the height will be selected automatically as the aspect ratio is linked. Now click on Scale button and then click on this small button here to fit the image to canvas size. I will be using this tablet screen to create the pop-out effect. Let's bring in another image now. To do that, go to the File option from the top menu and click on Open as a layer. Then select the image and click on Open. I'm gonna rename it to Object. We need to set the size of the image according to the screen size of the tablet. To do that, bring the opacity down first so that we can see where to put the image exactly. Now grab the Transform tool from the toolbox and click on the image. Let me zoom out a little bit and adjust the size by dragging any of these handles available on the sides of the image. You can also hold and move the image to set it in the right place. Click on Transform once you found right place for the object image. Next, right-click on the object layer from the Layers panel and click on Add Alpha Channel. It will make the removed unwanted part transparent when we delete it. Now we need to select our object and remove all the area which we don't want. And to do that, grab the Paths tool from the toolbox. Zoom the image by holding Ctrl key from the keyboard and moving in the mouse wheel. And start selecting the object. If you don't know how to use the Paths tool, please let me know in the comment box below. I will make a tutorial on the topic for you, and I will fast forward this because you don't want to watch me a few minutes doing this, so I'll be back once I am done with selecting. Now I am going to complete the selection by holding the Ctrl key on the keyboard and clicking on the starting point. And that's it guys, I'm done with the selection. I know that this is a boring process and you're not a fan of it, but try to invest time in your selections to make really nice selection, because later you will appreciate it. You will have much better results overall, and sometimes you really don't need to bother too much about selections. If you're making a final result for maybe just Instagram to small resolution or Facebook or anything else that the resolution is not really big, you will not print on really large formats. So sometimes you don't need to make really perfect selection because it will not be visible. But you will see that later if that's visible, or you can cover it with something. Now hit enter. Then right click on the selection, go to select, and click on invert. Then press the delete key on the keyboard. You can bring back the opacity of the object layer now. And go to select and click on none. Then grab the move tool from the toolbox to get rid of the paths. We are going to do one more thing to make the final result look a little bit better. And to do that, select the subject layer from the layers panel. Then go to colors from the top menu and click on saturation. It will open up a window. Now bring down the saturation all the way to 0. Now you can see that the whole image except the object part is turned into black and white, and the object is looking more popped out. If you want, you can also make subject image slightly blur by going to Filters, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. It will open up a window. Remember, we need a slight effect only, so I'm gonna move up the X and Y deviations a little bit and click on OK. This was it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications to my channel. And if you have any questions about this video, or have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments section below. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.